Wominjeka, you Rip Room Bonds Beauty Mobile Legends. Uncle Jojo here. Today we're going to be looking at a video about laying a floor in a wet area. Bathroom, laundry, that kind of thing. When we lay a floor in a wet area, we want to make sure that we're using a cement sheet. What that is basically cement compressed into a sheet of flooring. So there's a couple of different products on the market nowadays, like Constructor Floor, which is a mixture between timber sawdust or particle board mixed with cement, and that is a little bit lighter than just using the ordinary conventional compress sheet, because compress sheet is as heavy as concrete and super dense, and it's really hard to cut and drill. But on that note, I've used it for many years in my bathroom wet areas. I've got videos dating back at least 7 years showing putting compressed sheet down in wet areas, bathrooms, laundries, and things like that. So it's so important. Today you're going to see one which will connect onto our bathroom series that we've been doing recently. And as we lay our compressed sheet, it's 19 millimeters thick, which is the same thickness as our floorboard in our hallway, and we're making sure that it all matches up nice and neatly. On top of that compressed sheet, we're going to be having our tile. So we've actually set our compressed sheet, we've set our subfloor down 10 mil, so our compressed sheet is down 10 mil. When we put our tiles on top, then it's going to be the same level, the same plane from hallway into the wet area. So when you walk through that doorway, it's nice and smooth, that transition. When we use compressed sheet in a wet area, what we're doing is we're ensuring that the water won't get through the floor and into the subfloor flame and rot it away. It's one of the biggest issues that we have in homes these days is water damage and the kind of things that water damage can do to your home. So check out these vids, and as we piece them together, and you can see how as we lay our compressed sheet, what we do is we actually use a Sikaflex on all of our joists, and we stick it down, plus we screw it off, and we countersink everything. Later on, what we'll do is we'll show you, as we're waterproofing, how we finish those off, okay? So stay tuned, check these out, and we'll be back shortly. Hope you love those videos. They're almost as awesome as I am. You better believe it. What we've done, if you've got any questions, flick them over. But what we've done is stuck everything down, cut it all to suit, screwed it, fixed it into position. And now we're gonna let that set or sit. And then what we can do is start priming everything down, and we can start then doing all of our waterproofings and things like that. If you have any questions or queries about any of that, please flick it over and I'll answer it for you best I can, whenever I can. Like always, stay on real banana peels, and I'll see you in the suit.